A digital computer has the following types of memories. Options are A. Primary memory, B. Secondary memory, C. Cache memory, and D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. A digital computer has primary, cache, and secondary memory. Hi, Sherry again. Welcome to the new topic from MCQDump. Whether you are preparing for school, college, or competitive exams or job purposes, our channel will prove to be a guaranteed resource for you. We design our content going deep into a particular topic with the aim to bring you a mastery of the topic and help you understand the topic in depth. Let's continue. Please show your support. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell for our new content. Secondary memory is also known as auxiliary memory. True or false? True. Secondary memory is also known as auxiliary memory. SRAM, static RAM, is generally included in the computer system by the name of the cache. True or false? It's true. SRAM, static RAM, is generally included in the computer system by name of the cache. Secondary memories are costly compared to primary memory. True or false? It's false. Secondary memories are cheap compared to primary memory. ROMs hold permanent programs and other kinds of data that the computer needs to run, user-written programs. True or false? It's true. ROMs hold permanent programs and other kinds of data that the computer needs to run, user-written programs. PROM is read-only memory that can be modified only once by a user, also it is not erasable. True or false? It's true. PROM is a read-only memory that can be modified only once by a user, also it is not erasable. User buys a blank PROM and enters the desired contents using a PROM programmer. Cache memory is between the primary memory and the CPU. True or false? It's true. Cache memory is between the primary memory and the CPU. A ROM stores such instructions that are required to start a computer. This option is referred to as. Options are A. Startup, B. Bootstrap, C. Cold boot, and D. None of the above. Answer is B. Bootstrap. Information on a CD-ROM, compact disc ROM, is written at the time of manufacture. True or false? It's true. Information on a CD-ROM, compact disc ROM, is written at the time of manufacture. Primary memory is known by this name also. Options are A. Main memory, B. Semiconductor memory, C. Virtual memory, and D. All of the above. Answer is A. Main memory, and B. Semiconductor memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory or semiconductor memory. This type of memory cannot be upgraded. Options are A. Primary memory, B. Secondary memory, C. Cache memory, and D. All of the above. Answer is C. Cache memory. It can't be upgraded as it comes with the CPU. The most important program of ROM activates the hardware and application software. Options are A. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, B. OS, Operating System, C. Compiler, and D. All of the above. Answer is A. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. BIOS activates the hardware and application software. Cache memory speeds up the CPU by acting as a buffer between the CPU and the main memory. True or false? It is true. Cache memory speeds up the CPU by acting as a buffer between the CPU and the main memory. This memory is directly addressed by the CPU. Options are A. Primary memory, B. Secondary memory, C. Both of the above, and D. None of the above. Answer is A. Primary memory. Primary memory is directly addressed by the CPU. Secondary memory is also directly addressed by the CPU. True or false? False. Secondary memory is not directly addressed by the CPU. Please show your support. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell for our new content. Examples of permanent or non-volatile memory are? Options are A. RAM, B. ROM, C. Magnetic memory, and D. Hard disk drive. Answer is except A. RAM. All are correct. ROM, magnetic memory, and hard disk drive are examples of permanent or non-volatile memory. Volatile memory is a type of memory that maintains its data even the device is powered off. True or false? And it is false. Volatile memory is a type of memory that maintains its data only while the device is powered. If the power is interrupted for any reason, the data is lost. The core function of memory is to store. Options are A. Instructions, B. Data, C. Information, and D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. The core function of memory is to store instructions, data, and information. Secondary storage is also called. Options are A. Auxiliary memory, B. Bulk memory, C. External memory, and D. Backup memory. All the options are correct. Secondary storage is also called auxiliary memory, bulk memory, external memory, or backup memory. A ROM is not a random access type of memory. True or false? It is false. ROM is also random access in nature, which means CPU can randomly access any location within the ROM. A laser beam is used to write to or read data from an optical disc or tape. True or false? True. A laser beam is used to write to or read data from an optical disc or tape. A flash memory is also known as. Options are A. Flash ROM, B. Flash BIOS, C. Flash EEPROM, and D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Flash memory is a modern type of EEPROM. It can be erased and written faster in blocks than ordinary EEPROM. Its durability is over 10,000 times. Information stored in an SRAM, static RAM, needs to be refreshed. True or false? It's false. The information stored in SRAM, static RAM, need not be refreshed. Types of optical memory are. Options are A. CD-ROM, CDR, CDRW, B. DVD-ROM, DVD-R, DVD-RW, C. None of the above, and D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. RAMs have a larger access time. True or false? It's false. RAMs have a shorter access time. Flash memory is used in digital cellular phones, digital cameras, LAN switches, PC cards for notebook computers, digital setup boxes, embedded controllers, etc. ROMs are not only used in computers, but also in electronic items. True or false? It's true. ROMs are not only used in computers, but also in electronic items like washing machines and microwave ovens, etc. Following are examples of semiconductor memory. Options are A. RAM and ROM, B. EPROM, C. Flash memory, and D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. RAM, ROM, EPROM, and flash memory, etc. are examples of semiconductor memory. The following are true for cache memory. Options are A. It stores programs and data to be executed immediately. B. It is costly. C. Compared to the main memory, it is much faster. And D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Examples of volatile memory are? Options are A. RAM, B. ROM, C. HDD, and D. FDD. Answer is A. RAM. Out of the above options, only RAM is the volatile memory. According to technology, these three are different sorts of memories. Options are A. Semiconductor memory, B. Magnetic memory, C. Optical memory, and D. Cache memory. Correct options are A. Semiconductor memory, B. Magnetic memory, and C. Optical memory. Which of these are required to run a system optimally? Options are A. SRAM, static RAM, B. DRAM, dynamic RAM, C. Only SRAM, and D. SRAM and DRAM both. Answer is D. SRAM and DRAM both. To run a system optimally, SRAM and DRAM both are required. Please show your support. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell for our new content. Which of the following options is true for a static RAM? Options are A. Long life, B. Less power consumption compared to DRAM, C. Very fast compared to DRAM, and D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. A method that allows the software to utilize more main memory than a computer is really equipped with. Options are A. Virtual memory technique, B. Special memory technique, C. Memory extender technique, and D. None of the above. Right option is A. Virtual memory technique. Memory management is provided by? Options are A. Operating system, B. Memory management unit, MMUC. Both of the above. And D. None of the above. Answer is C. Both of the above. Examples of secondary memory are? Options are A. RAM, B. HDD, C. ROM, and D. Magnetic tape. Answer is B. HDD and D. Magnetic tape. Examples of secondary memory are HDD and magnetic tape. What is true about floppy disk drives? Options are A. It is a magnetic memory. B. It is not used these days. C. Its capacity, in general, is 1.44 megabytes. And D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. All the options are true about floppy disk drives. RAM is not a read-write type of memory. True or false? It's false. RAM is a read-write type of memory. CPU doesn't access secondary memory directly. True or false? It is true. CPU directly does not access these memories. Instead, they are accessed via input-output routines. The contents of secondary memories are, first transferred to the main memory, and then the CPU can access it. ROM is a read-only type of memory. True or false? It's true. ROM is a read-only type of memory. Its contents are decided by the manufacturer and written at the time of manufacture. It is used to distribute firmware. Magnetic memory is cheaper and slower, compared to semiconductor memory. True or false? It is true. Magnetic memory is cheaper and slower, compared to semiconductor memory. Flash memory is similar to EEPROM. True or false? It is true. Flash memory is similar to EEPROM. Complementary metal oxide semiconductor memory, CMOS, is used too. Options are A. Store the system configuration. B. Store date and time. C. Store other important data. And D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. When the computer is switched on, BIOS matches the information of CMOS with the peripheral devices, and display error in case of a mismatch. DRAM is to be refreshed every few seconds. True or false? Is true. DRAM is to be refreshed every few seconds. Because of this refreshing action, it is called a dynamic RAM, DRAM. If it is not refreshed, information it stored is deleted. Magnetic tape stores data sequentially. True or false? It's true. Magnetic tape stores data sequentially. It's the main disadvantage of a magnetic tape. What type of memory is a magnetic tape? Options are A. Online memory. B. Offline memory. C. Virtual memory. And D. All of the above. Answer is B. Offline memory. Magnetic tape is an offline type of memory. Which of the following options is true for a secondary memory? Options are A. It stores program and data. B. It is slow compared to primary memory. C. It is cheap compared to primary memory. And D. It is the bulk storage memory. Answer is all of the options are true. 10 to 40 minutes of exposure to UV light erases its content. Options are A. RAM. B. ROM. C. EPROM. And D. PROM. Answer is C. EPROM. Usually, an EPROM eraser achieves this function. During programming, an electrical charge is trapped in an insulated gate region. This charge is retained for more than 10 years because the charge has no leakage path. For erasing this charge, ultraviolet light is passed through a quartz crystal window. Please show your support. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell for our new content. Programs and data are stored in the secondary memory. True or false? It's true. Programs and data are stored in the secondary memory. Hard disk is an example of. Options are A. Online secondary memory. B. Offline secondary memory. C. Virtual memory. And D. None of the above. Answer is A. Online secondary memory. Hard disk is an example of online type of secondary memory. This is true for semiconductor memory. Options are A. These are faster. B. These are static and smaller in size. C. Consumes less power. And D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Example of memories with NDRO property. Options are A. HDD and FDD. B. Magnetic tape. C. Static RAM. And D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. In some memories, the process of reading the information does not destroy the stored information. This characteristic of the memory is called non-destructive readout, NDRO. Select the characteristics, which are true for a DRAM compared to SRAM. Options are A. Slower as compared to SRAM. B. DRAM has a higher storage capacity. C. Smaller in size. And D. Less power consumption. Answer is all the options are true. Offline memory refers to the hardware that can be attached to the system as needed. True or false? It's true. Offline memory refers to the hardware that can be attached to the system as needed. A RAM speed is controlled by the bus width and bus speed. True or false? True. A RAM speed is controlled by the bus width and bus speed. An EPROM can be identified by. Options are A. Color. B. Shape. C. Quartz window. And D. None of above. Answer is C. Quartz window. Static memory devices do not rotate while reading or writing the information. True or false? It's true. Static memory devices do not rotate while reading or writing the information. Modern computers use DRAM, dynamic RAM, for most of their system memory. True or false? It's true. Modern computers use DRAM for most of their system memory. The bit is an abbreviation for binary digit. True or false? It's true. The bit is an abbreviation for a binary digit and is represented with B. The bit is the abbreviation for binary digit and the basic unit of memory. It is smallest unit of information. Optical disks are suitable as secondary memory. True or false? It's false. Optical disks are not suitable as secondary memory because their access time is more than that of hard disks. A ROM has the following types. Options are A. PROM, programmable ROMs. B. EPROM, erasable PROM. C. EEPROM, electrically erasable ROM. And D. MROM, mask ROM. Answer is all the options are correct. The quantity of bits that can be delivered concurrently to the CPU is referred to as bus width. True or false? It is true. The quantity of bits that can be delivered concurrently to the CPU is referred to as bus width. EPROM stands for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. True or false? It's true. EPROM stands for Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. These are commonly used bulk storage magnetic memory devices. Options are A. HDD, hard disk drive. B. FDD, floppy disk drive. C. Magnetic tape. And D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Hard disk drives, FDD and magnetic tape are commonly used bulk storage magnetic memory devices. Internal processor memories consist of a set of registers that are internal to a processor. True or false? It's true. Internal processor memories consist of a set of registers that are internal to a processor. These are used as temporary storage locations to hold data during processing. Static RAM has the following characteristics. Options are A. DRO, destructive readout memory. B. NDRO, non-destructive readout memory. C. Both of the above. And D. None of the above. Answer is A. DRO, destructive readout memory. In some memories, the process of reading the memory destroys the stored information. This property is called destructive readout, DRO. Example of a memory having DRO characteristic is a dynamic RAM. Find the options true for an EEPROM. Options are A. Programmed and erased electrically with high voltage current. B. Programmed and erased about 10,000 times. C. Any location can be selectively erased and programmed. And D. Can be erased 1 byte at a time. Answer is all the options are correct. Select the characteristics which are true for a DRAM. Options are A. Temporary data storage. B. Short data lifetime. C. Less efficient than ROM. And D. Used as RAM. Answer is all the options are correct for DRAM. SRAM is used to create the CPU speed-sensitive cache. True or false? It's true. SRAM is used to create the CPU speed-sensitive cache. In static RAM, word static indicates that. Options are A. It is volatile. B. It is non-volatile. C. Both of the above. And D. None of the above. Answer is A. It is volatile. The word static indicates that the memory retains its contents as long as power is being supplied. However, data is lost when the power gets down due to volatile nature. Please show your support. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell for our new content.